Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. In this video we will explain how to turn off Handwriting Keyboard Android step by step so you can switch back to a normal typing experience. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. This is where all system controls are stored and it allows you to manage keyboard and input options. Step 2. Tap the search bar at the top of the settings screen. This helps you quickly locate specific settings without scrolling through menus. Step 3. Type Manage Keyboards in the search bar. This search brings up all options related to keyboard control and customization. Step 4. From the search results, tap on Manage Keyboards. This section shows all keyboards currently available on your device. Step 5. Find and tap on Gboard from the list of keyboards. Gboard is the default keyboard on most Android phones and includes handwriting input. Step 6. Tap on the Languages option inside the Gboard menu. This area lets you control language-specific keyboard features. Step 7. Scroll and tap on English, Handwriting. This option manages the handwriting input feature for the English language. Step 8. Tap the handwriting toggle to turn it off. Disabling this feature prevents the handwriting keyboard from appearing. Step 9. Tap Done to confirm and save the changes. This ensures your new keyboard settings are applied properly. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.